Roy David and Anthony Somera used to play in various commercial basketball leagues in the Philippines. When they applied for Mawarid Company in Riyadh, they were not called for a job interview, but instead went to a basketball tryout and passed. Now, as new employees of Mawarid, part of their job description is to play basketball and help their company win the various prestigious inter-company leagues in the kingdom. Their teammates are also former colleagues in the Philippine Commercial League. One of them is Eric Sison, who came here 3 years ago and has contributed to the 5 championship titles of the company. Another veteran, the former 6'4" forward of the UST Growling Tigers, Ruel Asay, also plays for Mawarid for a year now. He admits his ticket in working abroad is his skills in basketball. Before, he only gets about 500 pesos per game in the Philippines. Now, his income has become much more as an expat worker.
Sino bang may ayaw na magkaroon ng kotse, magkaroon ng laptop, magkaroon ng magandang cellphone, di ba? Parang dito ko nakuha lahat eh.
Mawarid is only one of the many companies in Riyadh recruiting Filipino basketball players from commercial leagues to strengthen their lineup in Saudi Arabia tournaments.
Ultimo yung pinakamataas na may-ari ng kumpanya namin. Sa tuwing kami ay nagcha-champion, may personal na mensahe yan. So sa tuwing mag-champion o makita na ganyan, napakalaking bagay nun sa may-ari dahil alam nila ang imaheng pinapakita ng mga Pilipino hindi lang sa pagtatrabaho kundi pati sa paglalaro at palakasan.
Fellow Filipino Rick Andre oversees the basketball tryouts during recruitment process of Mawarid in the Philippines. According to him, jobs are made available for the players like Anki Angeles, who was given a secretarial work in the warehouse.
Kung hindi sa basketball, siguro wala ko dito eh. Kasi dahil nung nasa Pilipinas ako, walang magawa, kundi basketball. Pero dito, nagbabasketball ka pa, may trabaho ka pa, marami kang naalaman.
Kung ang mga senior at dating PBA player na sina Francis Arnaez at Ives Dignadice ay nasa Amerika na, sina Robert Jaworski at Freddie Webb ay sa Senado na punta. Ang mga dating PBL player at mga manlalaro ng commercial league sa Maynila, dito sa Saudi Arabia, may paglalagyan kayo. Another Saudi company, Schneider Electric, also employs Filipino workers who excel in basketball. Noel David, who played for the Red Bull team in the Philippine Basketball League, is one of Schneider's successful recruits.
Itong kumpanyang to, after 17 years daw, hindi pa sila nag-champion. So nagkaroon sila ngayon ng idea na kumuha ng player sa Pilipinas. So isa ako sa sinwerte na kinuha nila. Tapos hindi ko naman din sila binigo dahil sa kauna-unang pagkakataon, nag-champion ng Schneider.
A company official of Schneider says they have recruited more Filipino players recently and are scheduled to arrive in November. Another Schneider recruit, Paulo Malonzo, is now working as a wireman. The former player of Nueva Ecija Patriots and Welcott Paint Master in the PBL says he feels lucky that there are companies in Saudi Arabia who hires former basketball players.
Stable na trabaho. Sa Pinas, falling star na ako eh.
The shine in their basketball careers in the Philippines may have faded out, but it is in the same sport that they got another career, this time as expat workers in Saudi Arabia, with a stable job and a more secured future for their family. Roland Blanco, Middle East News Bureau, Riyadh.